In this video, we are going to insert in data into our database. So the first thing that we need to listen to is a click event. So when the user click on the post button, we'll get the data, then insert it into the database. So copy this one from here. Here will be $document dot on, then the event y will be click, then the element, which is this one will be an ID, then our function event. So this one event dot prevent default behavior. Okay. So the first thing I want us to do is to get the image data, which is the post dash photo. That's the first thing that I want us to do. So this one be let post image to be equal to get element by ID. Then this one be post underscore photo dot files. Then here will be 0. The second thing I want us to get is the test area input, which is this one, post test area. So copy it from here. So this one be let test be equal to the number space it here dot value and dot trim to remove all space before it and all space after it. This is what we have. The second thing I want us to do is to check and see whether the post image is not empty and the test area is empty, or the post image, the test area is not empty. So over here will be if post image is not empty and text is equal to empty, or two vertical pipe, post image is not empty and test area, that's test, is also not empty. So if both of them, if this one is true or this one is true, just return it. Then over here will be let form data to be equal to new form data. Okay, so now this is what we have. So now I want us to append the data to the form data. So the first thing that we need to append is the user ID. So where are we getting the user ID? Realize that in our index.php, we have the user ID here. So we can get it from this one. We can get it from here. And also, so over here will be let user underscore ID to be equal to the element that we want to target to get its data attribute. So which is this one. Copy it from here. So this one be dot, then paste it here. Dot data, which is user ID. Here will be semicolon. So here, first let's do console.log user ID. Okay. So now let's select something. This is the image. Click on open. Now click on this one. So the user ID is 13. Okay. So now we are going to append it. So this one will be data form data dot append. Then this one will be user underscore ID. Then this one will be user ID. And the second one I want us to append is the post. So this one will be form data dot append post. And this one will be the text. And form data and also the post image dot append. Then this one will be post image. Then here will be post image, comma post image. Then here will be semicolon. Okay. Then our ages. So this one will be dollar dot ages. Then our object. Okay. The first one being the URL. The URL over here, we are going to concatenate it with the base URL, which is this one. So copy it from here. So here will be base URL plus then the file name. So the file will be post.php, then comma. Then the type over here will be post. Then cache will be false. Then process data will be also false. Then data over here will be form data, which is this one. Then comma content type will be also false. Then success will be our data. Then our arrow function. Okay. This is what we have. So now copy this one from here. Copy this one from here. So here will be, then paste it here. Then dot value to be empty. Then semicolon. And also this one be dollar. Then ampersand post underscore boss. Then this one we hide. Then semicolon. Okay. Now let's go and create this file. Inside your core folder, create a new file. Then paste it here. Okay. So copy this one, everything from here. Then paste it here. Okay. So what I want us comment on this one. So this one will not be user ID. So what I want us to check is whether the post image is not empty. That's what I want us to check. So this one will not empty, dollar underscore files. Then this one will post image. So if the post image is not empty, then here will be dollar post image will equal to dollar underscore files. Then here will be post image. Then semicolon. And also we have dollar user ID will equal to h. Then here will be dollar underscore post. And this one be user underscore ID. This one over here must match this one. What is here? And also we have $post to be equal to escape $_post. Then here will be post. Here is semicolon. Then over here will be first. I also want us to check and see whether user ID is the same thing as the one that we have in the session. So in order for us to do that, on comment on this one, cut it from here and paste it here. So if $user ID is equal to $user notation user underscore ID, then over here will be $post image path will equal to $load from user notation upload post. Then here it takes two arguments, the first one being the user ID and the second one being the post image, the semicolon. So copy it from here, go to your user.php, so over here, paste it here. This one be public function. Okay. So here, cut this one from here, and this one be command and paste it here. So here instead of post image, this one be file, and this one be the user ID. So here post image and comma $user ID. Okay. So copy everything from here, then paste it here. So here instead of stories, here will be post. Here to the same thing, instead of story, here will be post. Okay. So now let's go and test and see whether our logic is working fine. So let's empty the cache. Click on this one, select, then click on, now click on open. Now let's click on this one. Okay. So now click on this one and let's see. So as you can see, why this is our post. So meaning that our logic has worked fine. So now let's insert in data. So we have a method. So copy this one from here and paste it here. So this one will create post. Okay. So the create post, insert into post. So here will be post. And this one will be posted by. Posted by. The posted by is the user ID. And this one will be post. Post. And this one will be the post image. Image. Then comma, we have the posted on. So here will be the user ID. And here will be the post. Then comma, Then we also have column image. Then this one we posted on. So this one will be over here will be the user ID, the image, then comma dollar post, then comma. That's all. So we have the user ID, we have the image, we also have the post. Okay. So the user ID is this one, the person who posted, which is this one. And the image over here will be the image. Then the post is post, which we are getting from post, right? This one. Then we have dollar statement, our notation, bind, around. We have colon. What else do we have again? We posted on, which is this one. So copy it from here and paste it here. Then comma, dollar, date time, then here will be semicolon. And after that, we'll just return it. So copy this one from here. Over here will be echo. On this one be just dollar load from user, our notation, then paste it here. The user ID is this one. Then the image over here, it will be dollar post image path, which is this one. And the post over here is this one. Then over here will be semicolon. Now let's go and test and see whether our logic is working fine. Now empty the cache and also click here and click on admin. For MySQL, click on admin. So now click here and let's insert in a new photo, which is this one. And over here, I'll enter in a text. Let's say I. Okay. So now click on post. Okay. So now let's go and check. Go to your database, Instagram, then click on the post table. As you can see, we have one data over here. So meaning our logic has worked here. Well, user ID is 1. That's the post ID is 1. Posted by is 30. The post is 1. The post image is this one. In the next video, we are going to create functionality to fetch the post and display it over here.